making a mess. Making a giant mess. But it's on the tray, so we're okay. Here we go. And if you're wondering if these are alcohol or non-alcohol, you'll have to taste it to figure it out. Be fun for a work party, right?